Let's see how you did with your answers to the questions that you had to complete. So our first question was H, and it was the one with the items and price and total and discount. Now, items of part type integer, meaning it's got no decimal, and price, total, and discount. Reals type data, meaning it's got decimals. We know we have to use substitution here, as I explained in the previous lesson. So we have begin, items are 5, price is $2.50. So we do a rewrite. Total now becomes items times price. Simple substitution. Items is 5 and price is $2.50. Let's just fix that T. That becomes now, yes, $12.50. Now you have to make a decision. If the total is smaller than 20, is $12.50 smaller than 20? Yes, it's true. Now we know if it's true, we have to use the step directly after. Again, we are going to do substitution. So we do a rewrite. I'm going to abbreviate, save space and time. 5 divided by 100, multiply with total. So let's do substitution. Okay, so 5 divided by 100 gives you 0.05, which you have to multiply with total. Total is currently $12.50. That gives you 0.625 on your calculator. We know we are not going to use this step. We only use this one if that one was false. If that was a false, then we would have used the step after else. What does it ask you? What does it want you to output? It wants you to output discount. How many places shown? 2. So you output exactly what is asked. Discount to 2 decimal places, 0.62. That's it. Pause your video and see whether you got that one correct as well. Moving to the next one. Here we have num and y are of type integers, meaning there is no commas or nothing after the comma. Num is currently 0. For y, now we know already, we know that when we see for y, for, it's a loop that will repeat. So we make ourselves a grid. It must go from 2 downwards to -2. 2, 1, 0, -1, -2. How many times will this loop execute? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. For each execution, it must do something, and that is inside the loop. You can see it here. So num gets a new value, the previous value plus 3. So we know num is currently 0. So this is our y, and this is num, which is currently 0. What is it telling you? You must do 5 times. Num plus 3. So 0 plus 3 gives you 3. And you add 3 again, because you have to do it again. 3 and 3 is 6. 7, 8, 9. plus 3 gives me 12. Plus 3 gives me 15. So y's value is negative 2 and n's value is currently 15. Okay, so what must you print? The value of num. Num equals 15. Hope you got that one correct. Pause your video, copy the answer, and see whether you also got the same answer. In the next lessons, we will focus on introducing the while do loop. And you remember the while do? It's when we don't know how many times the loop will execute. See you then. That lesson will be called lesson B, or practice segments number 2.